Hello friends, today I'm gonna do my toenails. My nails are healthy and these are henna stains, nothing to be worried about. I never did my toenails before and I don't use regular polish that much on these. I did not take care of them, just keep them clean and healthy in the way of basic hygiene. I'm using soft buffer on them because I want my toenails to stay for a long time. Because I don't want them to be break or overused of gels on them. I applied base coat and cure it. Next, I'm gonna use my pre-made builder gel nail tips. I made them 1 month ago because I thought I should do my toes at least once in 6 months. So I made them according to my sizes, and guys, I don't have toenail extension tips but I use the bigger size nail hand tips. Because my hands and feet are small and the big size hand nail tips are fit on toe. So I got the idea and made these. I'm using the hand wireless UV mini lamp to cure these, and this lamp is very convenient. I struggled a lot while doing my extensions. You can see my old videos when I used to do my nails and show you all the mistakes. And now I can do my nails without any mistake in just 15 minutes. So here I put the extensions on and it's looking weird. Natural nails have some issues of shaping and growing in different angles, but we can fix this by applying the extensions in right way. Cut them according to the length I want. Guys, I don't know but how much time it will take to do my both toes. Because when I do my one hand nails, it takes my 5 hours to done. After cutting, I am applying the base coat layer on the nails because some of them have uneven surface. And I try to make it even. Remove the sticky layer of base coat with acetone. Now it's time to shape them well to look better. I hold the nails from the upper surface while filing because I don't have any experience of doing the gel process on my toes. And I don't want to take any risk of pop off the nails, and by holding them like this is making the process very easy. I am finding and observing the best way to do this step. You can see that I am using my left hand too. I am giving myself a demo that if I will do my right hand nails, then how my left hand grab the tools. I am not buffing the nail surface because it will be too much for me to buff them all and they are very small. I can't do that step now. I am filing only where they need. And after filing, I wipe all the dust with acetone and then took my top coat to apply it backside of the nails because these are the hard gel extensions and the gel is not the soak off type, so I am doing this step to protect my nails from the backside. After then, I took my neon gel polish box and decided to go with the green and blue shade. I don't use the neons that much, but I bought this and uploaded a video which you can see in my video history. I love all the shades, but this time I chose these two. So I am mixing the blue shade with hard gel and it will be applied as the base color on all the fingers. The separate blue one I think will not look better as the base because I chose the green too, and these both have neon visibility, so it's better to make a mix match. First I am applying a thin layer and not curing this because after the layer we have to apply the thick one to spread the gel evenly on the surface. As I said before that some of these nails have uneven surface, and I'm not gonna buff that. So it's a good idea that we cover all the uneven areas under the top self-leveling layer. I'm repeating the same step on all the nails and try to make them smooth with this application. At this point, in my opinion, I'm loving the shade and this process. It's so satisfying and I think it's going well on my nails. I will make some designs on these, but if I leave these in one color or this much simple, I would love to keep them like this. I am first time seeing my nails long. I mean not long in that sense, but having my extension at home, self doing nails. It just make me feel relaxed and open the way of thinking ideas more and more. It's beautiful. Wipe off the tacky layer and I did the same process on my other toe, but here is one thing which I am thinking on. I think this one has slightly dark shade of blue because I mixed more in second part and left one is light. So I am making the left one a bit dark and equal in appearance with the right one. I rolled the tissue in because I know I can mess this up. I am feeling this feeling very strong. So I took it and rolled among the fingers. Now they are done. Filing the edges to make them crisp and clean because I applied thick coat of gel and the gel sometimes overflow from any area and they don't look good and clean from the front side. So the base is ready and it's time to make French tips with the green one. Creating a line first and filing the area, and I'm not gonna cure this layer because I make a good shape by wiping off the extras with my shaping tool. It's perfect and I cured this layer, now I'm making it more visible. I forgot to turn on the camera in that step and did the same step on all. These are looking cute. I bought some charms and used these in my last press-ons video. Before that I have to make some 3D designs, so here is my shaping tools and solid gel. I think I should make some 3D flowers on all the fingers. Adjusting and separate the gel equally to make the small balls which will be turned into the petals. I never made the 3D flower that much small and I am having problem to see it clearly because the gel is transparent and it's very small and of course I can't keep my eyes that much close to my toes. So yeah, it's hard to make them perfect but I'm trying my best to do that. I sculpted the half flower or 3 petals in the upper right corner and doing the same in the down left corner. Making 3 petals on every nail because it's very small area, so I don't think I can make 2-3 elements on this space. This is done and I did same on the other. Now it's time to give them a pretty pink appearance. I bought the nail art sponges with grabber and the metal grabber is slippery when pulling the stem with one hand. It's better to use both hands to take the sponge. I will use this well when next time I create the ombre effect. I put the tool side because I am not comfortable with that because I am using that first time and now the weather is rainy and cloudy, so I have to finish this fast. I am more comfortable with the brushes because I am using them when I used to create the nail arts with regular nail polishes. I have a set of these 3 brushes and they are perfect for me to make any small detail. This one is the liner brush or long brush from which we can make French tips easily. After done this step, now I took this sponge again to give the flower an ombre effect. I'm not gonna do it in layers but I'm just applying a single coat on all the flowers and show you the difference in both the toes. The gel is touching my skin and I'm gonna wipe that off with the brush before curing. Now you can see that it has some whitish effect as compared to the right one. I decided to go with the tiny golden metal balls from my nail charm collection and start to apply them on. I am first time doing this and honestly figuring out that how it works. Putting 3 on the half flowers on toes and 1 on the other fingers. It's easy to take them with the help of brush. I already dipped the tiny balls in the hard gel so I don't have to apply the extra gel to stick them on. Now it's time to apply the top coat and seal all the elements inside. This is the final look. They took my 7 hours. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.